What's up, guys? Today I'm going to teach you how to nollie bonk out of a ramp. So first off, before you try this trick, you need to practice it on a little crack in the sidewalk, like a small little curb, something that barely sticks up an inch or less off the ground. Just practice it on that. Just practice rolling up, popping off your front wheels, and being able to clear it with your back wheels, having enough speed to clear it. And after that, practice just rolling off ledges and just popping a little bit off the nose. And then when you get a little bit better at both of those, you can actually learn nollies. So I have a how to nollie video if you need help with that, but having a good nollie is really going to help with this trick. So to do this trick, you're going to approach the ramp with a little more speed than you normally would need to get out of the ramp. Because popping off the front wheels is going to take a little bit of your speed, and you still need enough momentum to get your back wheels over the coping too. As you get to the top of the ramp, before you get to the coping, you're going to pop a little nollie right before the coping. You don't want to fully pop the nollie because you don't want your nose to get caught on the coping. If you completely snap and pop the ollie with the nose, then your nose is going to stick right into the coping and the board's going to stop, and you're going to have to run up the ramp without the board. So you're going to start to pop a little nollie, but not all the way. So like a ghost popped nollie, you start to pop it, but then you just allow your front wheels to hit the coping. If there's big coping, you're going to be able to use the coping to pop off of and propel you forward. If the coping is really small and doesn't stick out a lot, then the momentum of the ramp is still going to throw you over it, but you're not actually going to hit the coping. You're just going to kind of pop off the concrete ramp a little bit. So after you pop off the coping, you're going to bone out your nollie just a little bit. So when I say bone out your nollie, that means you're going to push your front foot forward and bend your back knee to kind of stick the board out just a little bit. That's just going to give you a little extra time in the air so you can clear your back wheels over the coping too. That's the biggest mistake if you're going to get your back wheels hung up and just land in the middle of the board. So just suck up your knees, suck up your back knee, lift your board up enough to get your back wheels over the coping too, land on the board, and roll away. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content, reviews, tutorials, and videos about what I'm learning as I grow as a skateboarder, then hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.